Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or a seasoned chef, this KitchenAid Nonstick Frying Pans / Skillet Set 2-piece brushed stainless steel is the ultimate cookware duo that promises efficiency, convenience, and superior performance. Designed with innovation and durability in mind, this skillet set is perfect for creating meals that are not only delicious, but also hassle-free. In this comprehensive review, we'll uncover why these frying pans are a kitchen essential, highlighting their standout features, benefits, and how they can transform your cooking experience. Why choose the KitchenAid Nonstick Frying Pan Set? When investing in cookware, you need a set that combines functionality, durability, and ease of use. The KitchenAid Frying Pan Set stands out in several ways. Effortless cooking. Thanks to the nonstick coating, you can cook with less oil or butter, promoting healthier meals without compromising on taste. Exceptional durability. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with an aluminum core, these pans are built to withstand years of regular use without warping or losing their performance. Time-saving features. The even heat distribution and versatile sizes allow you to prepare meals faster and more efficiently. Plus, the dishwasher-safe design minimizes post-meal cleanup time. Stylish and functional design. The brushed stainless steel finish adds a sleek, modern touch to your kitchen while delivering professional-grade results. How to use and care for your KitchenAid frying pan set. To get the most out of your frying pan set, follow these tips. 1. Preheat the pan properly. Allow the pan to heat up for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat before adding ingredients. 2. Use non-metal utensils. To protect the non-stick surface, opt for silicone, nylon, or wooden utensils. 3. Avoid overheating. Stick to medium to low heat settings to preserve the pan's integrity and non-stick coating. 4. Hand wash occasionally. Although dishwasher-safe, hand washing with mild detergent can help maintain the non-stick surface for longer. Key features of the KitchenAid Nonstick Frying Pan Set. 1. Quick and even heating. The stainless steel construction with an aluminum core base ensures that heat spreads quickly and evenly across the pans. This eliminates frustrating hot spots that can ruin delicate dishes, providing consistent results every time. From perfectly cooked omelets to evenly seared steaks, these pans excel in precision. 2. Superior nonstick coating. The premium nonstick surface ensures effortless food release. Say goodbye to sticky pans and wasted food. Whether you're cooking eggs, fish, or pancakes, everything slides out with ease, leaving minimal residue behind. This feature also makes cleaning a breeze. 3. Silicone grip handles. Comfort and safety are prioritized with the dual riveted silicone grip handles. These handles stay cooler on the stovetop, ensuring you can confidently maneuver the pans without the risk of burns. The ergonomic design provides a secure and comfortable grip, even during extended cooking sessions. 4. Versatile pan sizes. This skillet set includes 9.5-inch frying pan, ideal for smaller dishes like omelets or side dishes. 12-inch frying pan, perfect for larger meals such as stir-fries or pan-seared proteins. These sizes allow you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously, saving time and energy. 5. Induction compatibility. The KitchenAid frying pans are compatible with all cooktops, including induction, gas, ceramic, and electric. This versatility ensures that no matter your kitchen setup, these pans will deliver outstanding performance. 6. Dishwasher-safe convenience. Hate scrubbing pans after cooking? These durable non-stick pans are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup as effortless as cooking. Final verdict. This KitchenAid Nonstick Frying Pans skillet set is more than just cookware. It's a game-changer for your kitchen. With its quick heating, superior non-stick surface, and user-friendly design, this set makes cooking enjoyable and stress-free. Whether you're flipping pancakes or searing a steak, these pans deliver exceptional results every time. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.